Just wanted to give you a little proof to show you how we got a Facebook group from basically stuck at 14,000 likes to 100,000 likes in 1 month. Now, to give you a little background on this group, it's sports niche. There's a lot of competition. They were stuck at 14,000 page view likes for years, anywhere between 12,000 and 14,000, trying all different kinds of things. Came to us and we solved the problem in 1 month. They wanted to get up to 100,000, and I'll show you how we did it. So first, here's the proof. You could see here as of today, there are 100,000, 159. You can see all through the month of April, even into March, it was kind of stuck around that 14,000, kind of go up, come down, go up, come down. And then when we started our ad campaign, you can see the rise in Facebook likes. Now, what's important about even Facebook likes is even if you have 2% of the people actually click on your articles when you post to a Facebook group, the higher, if you have 1 million or even if you have 100,000, that's a significant amount of traffic that goes back to your sites and also keeps people engaged. A lot of people are addicted to Facebook. They're on it all the time. So you want to be part of that channel. And it's just another way to grow your business, grow your page, grow your brand. Again, you can see starting stuck at 14,000 all these months, and then go shoot all the way up to 100,000 in a month. And you can see here, these are all the net likes. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 a day. And then all of a sudden, we turn on the ads. 3,000, 2,000. It dipped a little bit here. One thing that you keep in mind when you're running ads is that they'll perform well. Well, they'll have it be at their peak at the beginning, but then as time goes on, they start to diminish. And then, so we added some new ads and then just jumped right back up, hit our number, and then that was it. So as for the ads, we ran 4 ads. I'm not going to show you too much about them, but you could see here 0.004, 0.003, 004, 004. These two ran the bulk of the time. We were spending $5 a day. You can see we spent $330. I mean, $330 for 100,000 Facebook followers. I mean, legit, real, no fake stuff, real people following your brand is really dirt cheap. Some of these ads in the beginning were at 0.008. 0.007, but as time went on, they started to lose steam. But even when they lost steam, still 0.004 is still some good numbers. So that just kind of gives you a recap of what we did, how we reached our goal for 100,000 likes on Facebook. If you're interested in this kind of stuff and more, subscribe to the channel. If you want us to help your business, just find us at cm3solutions.com. Thanks.